Mathematics trains us to recognize order and truth. In God's creation, patterns hold steady. Seasons return, planets move predictably, and mathematical relationships remain consistent. Algebra reflects that same consistency. An equation is a statement that two things are equal, and our work is to preserve that truth carefully. Look at the equation 4x equals 20. Picture a balance scale. On the left side is 4x. On the right side is 20. The scale is balanced because both sides have the same value. Our goal is to find x. So ask yourself, what is happening to x? X is being multiplied by 4. What operation undoes multiplication by 4? Division by 4. Now here's the important idea. If we divide only one side, the balance breaks. Equality stays true only when both sides are treated equally. So we divide both sides by 4. 4x divided by 4 becomes x. 20 divided by 4 becomes 5. So x equals 5. But algebra is not guesswork. We check. Substitute 5 into the original equation. 4 times 5 equals 20. 20 equals 20. The equation remains balanced, so the solution is true. Now try another. X divided by 6 equals 8. What is happening to x this time? X is being divided by 6. What operation undoes division? Multiplication. So multiply both sides by 6. The 6's cancel on the left, leaving x. On the right, 8 times 6 is 48. X equals 48. Check it. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Balanced again. Notice the pattern. We are not moving numbers around magically. We are using inverse operations to preserve equality. Now let's include negatives. Negative 3y equals 18. What is happening to y? It is being multiplied by negative 3. To undo that, divide both sides by negative 3. Y equals negative 6. Check it carefully. Negative 3 times negative 6 equals positive 18. True. Many students confuse signs here, so slow down and reason through it. A negative times a negative becomes positive. Now consider fractions. 1/2 x equals 9. This means half of x is 9. If half is 9, what must the whole be? 18. Algebraically, we divide both sides by 1/2. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2. So x equals 18. Check it. 1/2 times 18 equals 9. Still balanced. Fractions do not change the logic. They only change the arithmetic. Now, decimals. 0.4x equals 8. Some students feel nervous around decimals, but the reasoning is exactly the same. We could divide by 0.4, but first we can simplify the equation by multiplying both sides by 10. 0.4x becomes 4x. 8 becomes 80. Now divide both sides by 4. X equals 20. Check it. 0.4 times 20 equals 8. Correct. Here is a misconception to avoid. Multiplication does not always make numbers larger, and division does not always make them smaller. Multiplying by 1/2 makes a number smaller. Dividing by 1/2 makes a number larger. So focus on the operation itself, not a shortcut rule. As equations become more complicated later in algebra, the central ideas will stay the same. An equation represents balance. Inverse operations undo each other. Every step must preserve equality, and every solution should be checked. So remember this habit. Solve, substitute, confirm. Careful reasoning matters because mathematics reflects a world built with order and consistency. When you solve equations truthfully and logically, you are learning to recognize that order clearly.